So u dash or du dx in this case is cosine x, and v dash or dv dx in this case is negative sine x. And now I will also do the fish, but this time the fish is going to be with a minus sign in the I. So the dy dx in this particular case will be cosine x times cosine x become cosine square x minus sine x times negative sine x will be negative sine square x. Everything is divided by v squared, according to this, v squared. So it's cosine square x again. Now the numerator is just going to be cosine square x plus sine square x, which is basically equal to 1. So the final answer is 1 over cosine square x, which is consistent with what we know before, because we know that the derivative sine x over cosine x is basically tangent x. And we know from our previous lesson that the derivative of tangent x with respect to x is nothing more than 1 over cosine square x, or you can also call it secant square x. All right, let's go to the next questions. And then u dash or du dx is, now you need to use the chain rule. 4 comes to the front, keep the bracket, the power is reduced by 1, so it's 3, and then take the derivative of everything inside the bracket, which is 3. And then v dash in this case is e to the power of x. So now use the fish again. All right, and dy dx in this particular case will be, right, e to the power of x times 12 times 3x plus 2 quantity raised to the power of 3, and then minus e to the power of x times 3x plus 2 raised to the power of 4, and then everything is divided by e to the power of x, everything squared. So you can see then now the numerator, I have a common factor. The common factor is this and this. So the answer is e to the power of x 3x plus 2 raised to the power of 3, and then big bracket 12 minus 3x plus 2, right? This is power 3, power 1, so it's power 4, divided by ex raised to the power of 2. Now simplifying means the ex, one of the ex and one of the ex cancel out, so you are left with 3x plus 2 cubed, and then inside the bracket, square bracket will be 12 minus 3x minus 2, and then divided by e to the power of x. This whole thing is numerator 3x plus 2 raised to the power of cube, and then here is 12 minus 2 is 10, so 10 minus 3x, and then everything is divided by e to the power of x. And u dash is, or the u dx is, here I need to use the chain rule. Power comes down, keeps the thing inside the bracket. Power of the bracket is reduced by 1, so now it's 2. And take the derivative of inside the bracket, so it's 1. Then v dash or dv dx is now just 2x, simple, using the power rule. I'll use the fish again. It will be v times u dash, that will be 3 times x plus 2, everything squared, times x squared plus 1, and then minus 2x times x plus 2, everything cubed, and then divided by v squared, which is x squared plus 1, everything raised to the power of 2. So simplifying this, you can see that the common factor here in the numerator is this x plus 2, everything squared. So x plus 2, everything squared, and then big bracket, square bracket 3 times x squared plus 1 minus 2x, x plus 2, and then divided by x squared plus 1, everything squared. So basically this is the answer, but we can simplify a little bit further. So the numerator, the one in the square bracket is 3x squared plus 3 minus 2x squared, and then minus 4x, and then over x squared plus 1, everything square. So this is x plus 2, everything square. Inside the big, the 3x squared minus 2x squared is just x squared, and then minus 4x plus 3, and then divided by x squared plus 1, everything square. We extend this a little bit, so this will be x plus 2, everything square, x minus 3 times x minus 1 over x squared plus 1, everything square. And here's the answer. Do you get it right? Excellent.